Hey everyone, how's it going? So I haven't done any Minecraft drawings in a while, so I thought it'd be fun to show you guys how to draw a Minecraft Mechagodzilla from the Godzilla vs. Kong movie. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Minecraft Mechagodzilla, we're going to start with the face. I'm going to begin here by drawing a line that's going to go down. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come over, and a second one that comes over, and then we'll just connect it. So it's like a square. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to go over. It's going to come down and over. And another one's going to go over, down, and it's going to come up, more at an angle. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. One that's going to come down here. And another one's going to come down here. Then I'm just going to connect them. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to come over. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and then back. Then we'll make a line that comes over and a line that comes over, and one down the middle. Then we'll connect them. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to come down to a point and up. We're going to come over and then down. And we're going to come right up here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. We're going to do that kind of same thing, just a little bit smaller. Next, we're going to make a couple little rectangle shapes down here for the claws. And we'll do another one at the bottom of each one. And then we'll just kind of connect them. Next, I'm going to draw this line up, and then we're going to come up all the way. And we'll draw a line down here. Right here, we'll draw a line that comes down, and then angles in. We're going to angle it out and then come back. We'll do the same thing. We'll go out, we'll come down at an angle, go in, and then come back. Then right here, let's bring this line up, and then we're going to bring this line in too. We'll draw kind of like that same shape again, just a little smaller, just how we did over here. And then we'll add a couple more little square and rectangle shapes on here for the fingers, and then we'll just kind of make them look 3D by adding some extra lines. Right here, we'll draw a line that's going to go down, over, and up. And then we'll go over and then bring it down. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and up. And then we're going to make another line. Comes down, we're going to angle in, and then come up. A little line here. Same thing here, go down. This time we're going to come up and over. And we'll bring it back up towards the body with a line here. We'll make 3 lines that come down right here, and then we'll connect them. Right here we're going to add like a square shape with a little line on the side. A line that comes over. Then right here we'll draw 3 lines down. Make this one a little longer, and then we'll connect them. Draw a line that comes down, goes down farther, and then it's going to come up. One here, we're going to come down, we're going to go over, we'll go up and over, and then come back. This one will draw a line that goes over and up, and then connect this line here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go down and then come in. Make a line that goes up, down, and then in. I'm going to bring this up, over, and down. You can see I'm making these a little bit smaller. Go up, over, and down, and then one more up, over, and down. Then right up here, I'm going to put a line that goes out. I'm going to come down and then in. So it's got that pointed end. Up here, we're just going to make some rectangular shapes for all the spikes. Very similar to Mechagodzilla's actual spikes. So we're just going to put these all across here. I want to make them go all the way down the tail. Now, once we have our basic shape of Mechagodzilla, we just want to come in here and add some of our different details for our Minecraft Mechagodzilla. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go in. It's going to come up, over like this. We'll draw a little line that's going to come up and over. Draw a little line down and a little line over. And then a little line over here. Make a little line that comes over. It's going to go up and then over. I'm going to draw two lines that come down with some lines coming across here and some coming across here as well. We'll add some little square shapes over here and a few more here. Then we'll add some different shaped ones down here as well. We'll make some lines come across here with a little line down. And we'll make some more square and rectangle shapes over here. We'll make some lines that come right through the middle of the tail. And we'll draw some little lines coming down. We'll put a couple little extra kind of square and rectangle shapes on different parts of the body. And we'll draw some little lines right here. Another little line that goes down, over, and up right by the eye. Little line that goes up and over. Then we'll add some little kind of square teeth in here. Then you can add some little squares on the inside of all the spikes. And we'll add a few more little lines on here as well. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Minecraft Mechagodzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.